This year, the university entrance examination, the general scholastic ability test, the Mandarin composition test title is If I Have a New Fridge. This test title attracted my eyes because I myself have a story about a new fridge, and this is the story about our friend Queenie Lou Sharp. Last October, Queenie Lou Sharp, he was diagnosed as phase 2 ovarian cancer. After the operation, she had 6 chemotherapy and will follow up with the 15 sections targeted chemo. So we were all shocked to see that news. And last year, November 17, he put an announcement on her Facebook. He just said he got a cancer, and in a very short time, it attracted 344 messages on her Facebook. Most of the people said that, Queenie, we feel so sorry for the news, but we admire you that you post this news on your Facebook and also your positive attitude. And we also encourage you to fight your battle with cancer. And please believe that you are not alone. We will walk by you. So last Christmas, Queenie made a speech. And the first time she just came back from cancer. So her speech title was Thank You. We were all ears to hear what she felt. She just shared with us how she adjusted her mindset from why me to how to fight her battle and how to reset the button of her life. And also he showed her gratitude to her friends and families. But the most touching part for me was, he said, have cancer was a gift from the God. Every day turns curse into a blessing. With cancer, she started to review her life. How to be a better person, how to be a better life. She even started to take the kindness and blessing from friends. For example, she welcomed us to visit her. She welcomed us to chat with her. She welcomed us to have dinner or meal or lunch with her. I think the companion, the love, and the support from we are the reason that Queenie can fight with her battle. The first time I visited Queenie, I just realized that they don't cook. Their fridge was very small, just up to my chin. Queenie told me the fridge was for storing of post-cooler beer. So when I opened the fridge, I found the freezer was fully filled with the energy soup from Taiwan Inspiration Toastmasters. For small size, it's really hard to store enough fresh food for a patient. Born to Shy member Mei Zhang, she frequently visited Queenie. She had lunch with her with the lunchbox prepared by herself. And we all know that what Queenie needed was a large fridge and learn to cook. But old habit dies hard. It's really not easy to change your habit. So we hesitated to buy a fridge, but we wait the proper time. So after, or even in the chemo process, there are many side effects like anemia, and she couldn't walk balancedly, and there's serious allergies. So at that time, Queenie realized that it's time that nutrition is very important. So one day, this year, January 22nd, I called Queenie. Queenie, I bought you a fridge. It will arrive your home within 1 hour. What? A fridge? You said a fridge? Why a fridge? I could truly feel that how she felt, with a stuttering and surprising tone. So after that, Queenie started to learn how to cook from website, or even ask me and May, because May would teach her how to cook by electric pot and stuff oven. So we really think that what support Queenie to go so far? I think the new fridge, it gives Queenie the motivation to fight for herself. It also added courage to fight cancer. And it's not only an appliance, but also with all our love. So Queenie, our friendship will last forever. We will go together for sure.